pay attention, it's already very congested ahead. At this moment, I advise everyone to queue up properly. Look at that white G-Wagon on the right. It really is a luxury car. Come on, oh, alright. You can't go. I can't go either. Nobody can go. From the looks of it, the responsibility should be his, right? So, no matter what luxury car you drive, everyone must follow the rules. Others won't necessarily be afraid of you or give way to you. Let's take a look. This driver was driving perfectly fine. A white Cadillac on the right directly crossed the solid line to change lanes. Started in front of us. After we let them go once, they did it again. The driver really couldn't take it anymore. Then it was the last straw. It was a bit impulsive, but it was beautiful. A black car was crossing the road on the right. We immediately braked. Let him, but how did we not stop? This is a bit unreasonable. We shouldn't have failed to brake. If this car was doing it on purpose, then that's a bit too, you know. There are two tricycles ahead. Look, it's blocking the way. There's still a little space in the middle. We should be able to get through. Now is the time to test our driver's driving skills. Let's take a look at the driver's skills. Hey, that's not called skill. It's called power. A car ran a red light on the left. Oh my. Strictly speaking, this is running a yellow light. The car turning left on the opposite side also ran the yellow light. How coincidental. That's how interesting fate can be. Congratulations to them for holding hands successfully. Watch the car on the left. He's in the left lane. We're on the right. He goes, mine. As a result, the vehicle in front of him was driving slowly. He's going to come over. This kind of person is just too selfish. But this completely disregards how others feel. As a result, only cares about himself. See, you can tell this driver grew up in a greenhouse. It can only hit our car. He hasn't experienced the baptism of big trucks. It's hard to say about liability. He can't possibly be mature. Pay attention to the lane guidance arrows. Pay attention to the truck in front. The arrow has already instructed us to go to the right, to this side. This iron piece flies so smoothly. The road ahead is narrowing. This situation for the car owner. There's a tanker on the right. If you smash the car behind, everyone needs to pay attention. Then you will have to compensate them 100%. You should have slowed down in advance. The cargo wasn't secured properly. Like this, the road ahead narrows. If an accident happens, and if you have vehicles, oh my God, what pressure! Pay attention to this is really scary. It's very likely that the driver doesn't know what to do. The driver is still trying to rush through. The elderly woman ran a car in front. Seems to have crashed. She had suddenly stopped. Actually, I know what the driver is even more dangerous. Watching him spinning around a small RV up ahead. If our driver hadn't started to overtake cars, he would probably have crashed into this big truck. But it's too late to rush. Oh my God! But the safest thing to do is still to stop there. And then, especially on the highway, this little yellow car, look ahead. Maybe he can still see there are traffic lights running across the street. The tricycle really drove off. I don't yield. I'm dying. Then we can only crash. Look at this one. It's just that the visibility isn't very good. The green light suddenly turned yellow. But it's not that bad. Our driver stopped in the middle. But this place should give way to the right. In this situation, you can go definitely at fault. Because we're already in the middle of the intersection. The driver is changing lanes to the right. Only then did it turn yellow. Should turn right. At this time, the car on the left. But now it's red. Changing lanes over too. You shouldn't move. Shoot, if you don't hit the car, it's still reversing. I guess he'll hit it too when he changes lanes. Look at this semi-trailer. We are very grateful to the big brother in front. Oh, this is very dangerous if there's a car coming from the opposite direction. Pay attention to the intersection ahead. We can only pray that the opposite side is not direction. It has already been blocked really off by barriers. Fortunately, at this time, there were no cars coming from the opposite direction. Look at this one again. There's a red light ahead. Then that semi-trailer in front. It ran the red light. A car on the left is turning in. Look, there's a sudden brake. This semi-trailer is drifting. It almost came over to our side. It's scary to watch. Our video car is trembling in fear. A afraid it'll come over to our side. We're done for then. Watch out for the left turn ahead. Pay attention. Look, oh. This guy on the electric bike just suddenly went the wrong way. Turning like this. If you're not paying attention, he'll rush out like this. You definitely won't be able to react in time. You definitely won't be able to brake in time. Pay attention, there's a car ahead on the highway. Fortunately, our driver maintained a safe distance from him. The vehicle in front suddenly slammed on the brakes. Our driver also braked immediately. Fortunately, there was a safe distance. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to stop. He's now rolling backward. There's nothing in front of him. Suddenly slammed on the brakes. What are you doing? You can't drive like this on the highway. I think this kind of behavior should have their license revoked directly, right? Fortunately, we maintained a safe distance. Secondly, let's take a look at the motorcycle's perspective. The speed is quite fast following the car in front on the curve ahead. Then watch, a rock suddenly appeared under the chassis of the vehicle in front. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What to do now? It was a direct hit, you could say. I reckon that for any other motorcyclist, if they ran over this rock, they'd probably fall. Third, pay attention, the car is in the right lane. And then the car on the left is now crossing the line, coming towards us. Without even signaling. Just squeezing the car directly like this. And hitting our car. After the collision, he didn't even stop. He just ran off. To say that he didn't know is absolutely impossible. It's obvious that he intentionally ran after the collision. Fourth, car turns right. Let's take a look at this car enters the neighborhood. Watch out. An electric bike is coming from the other side of the green Sometimes, if someone has already entered, he should be looking at his phone. I think it's really unnecessary. He didn't waste your time. But he is driving really against hard to say where the responsibility lies. I think our car owner is not at fault. Black car is coming out on the left. The electric bike should be fully responsible. Oh my god. Fifth, pay attention to the car on the left. Can you just come out a bit slower? He signaled. Since he changed from the leftmost lane to the middle lane, then the responsibility is definitely he's going to change lanes towards us again. Everyone needs to be careful that lane change was so casual. You see, it has to be very easy for a vehicle to lose control in the rain. Everyone, make sure to look carefully when changing lanes. There aren't any large vehicles nearby. Is also a motorcycle perspective. If there were large vehicles nearby, there's another motorcycle ahead. The outcome could be different. It's a bend in the road now. We still need to control our speed as much as possible in the rain. But please be careful of the second bend ahead. And even more so, there's also a motorcycle coming from the opposite direction to the right lane. Oh my goodness, the white car in wrong way on a bend and leaning. He's now going straight from the right lane of that big truck. There are two lanes. Let's take a look at this one. Vehicle no problem, right? This is a case of after sitting at when you want to overtake this truck, there's a junction on the left. Try to stay away. A large truck just rushed out. There's a barrier in the middle. Oh my god! If there wasn't next to this big truck, it would have crashed straight into our side with it like this. In broad daylight, this is very dangerous. Unlike some drivers, you see, when passing the intersections like this, the blind spot must definitely stop, and it's also large. Driving along, even if it's changing lanes and hitting them, it really often happens. They don't stop after the collision. Number 8. Someone just ran off like the car ahead is about to turn the guilty intersection. The driver is turning right. Pay attention to the ramp ahead. You're not getting away with this bend suddenly lost control. This wasn't serious to begin with. It's also slippery because it is now. As I can say that this section came very left turn, going against the traffic, didn't crash, was so close hit again. Was frightened and fell. At this time, sometimes don't tell me about turning left. They do have to yield to those going straight is on luck. But when we pass the 9-10 section ahead, go straight. Some left turners, it's a green light now. Rush over. 2 or 3 lanes are going straight. It's best to brake in advance. They are all straight lanes. You must remember that your safety in the middle of the first intersection. Don't get into a collision out of momentary anger. The vehicle on the left changes lane still wants to overtake on the left. As a result, now the traffic is initially preparing to overtake the vehicle is already fully responsive at this intersection. Then in this situation, he found that the left lane is for left turn. At times like these lanes, we shouldn't try to overtake. Then he started changing lanes. Let's take a look at what's in the road here. Overtakes a car was driving normally in the right lane. Now he actually went the wrong way to overtake and cut in left and then changes lane. Do you think they waited the intersection for the right or wrong? No turn signal. And they want to be first. This distance isn't under construction. They don't want to be behind and it's being fenced off with these barriers. Pay attention, resulting in the BMW. There's a T-shaped intersection ahead. In this situation, you're afraid what's going on. Pay attention. Ahead. Is it burning rubber? The delivery truck in front wait. Something's not right. Hey, see, this is burning oil, right? Take it slower. The horn was honked. I can't see the road behind having been honked. Oh my God, there might have been a collision. Fortunately, this is going to catch fire roads. Otherwise, it would be troublesome to have a bend ahead downhill bends. We have two cars. Although our car owner is far away. Now the first car feels like they're about to be crushed. We still have a car behind us. Accidents can happen if you're not also preparing to overtake them. We should move towards the inside. Now it has entered the bend. Oh, look, and the line has become solid. We've already moved to the innermost lane. There's still so much space outside. You can pass too. The weather now is a bit foggy. The visibility isn't particularly good. After the car on the left overtook us, we thought the front was safe. And then we followed it. But we suddenly became careless and didn't see the semi-trailer turning. Its tail hadn't even turned yet. It was a close call. We've talked about this situation before. You must remember that no matter the cars on your left and right, as long as you see the brake lights turn on, you must pay attention. Look at the car in front. Now the brake lights are on. Something's happening, look. Especially at intersections. Everyone must pay attention.